Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me, in relation to a video that I made about changing the crankshaft seal, for oil leak. Someone has asked, if an additive can be added, to temporarily stop that oil leak. Well, there are additives that could work, but it also depends on the size of the oil leak and what caused it. I am the only one. What I would advise you here is to add an additive that what it does is hydrate the crankshaft seal. Just as it hydrates the crankshaft seal, it will also hydrate the gaskets. It will hydrate the valve seals. That is good, but if the leak is caused by wear, or because it is cracked, it will not serve any purpose. There are those who use solvent-based additives, and what it does is swell the rubber joints. Then, temporarily, it can stop the oil leak, but to save money instead of changing the seal, this is what it will do, is that in the end the rest of the gaskets will weaken, and you will have to change them later. You will have problems if you do not change the rocker cover gasket or valve cover, the valve guide seals, the camshaft seals, etc., etc. And there are also those who use additives that are oil thickeners, which really, it is as if you added a more viscous oil to the engine, but this would not be advisable either, because in the end the useful life of the turbo and the engine will be shortened, because premature wear will occur, especially when the engine is cold. The ideal is always to change the deteriorated seals, because in the end, by wanting to save money, we can cause greater damage, and in the end, cheap can be very expensive. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.